Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change radiator on Infiniti G35. Begin by draining the coolant and safely raising the car. First, disconnect the battery and let the engine cool fully before touching any hoses. Next, relieve system pressure by opening the radiator cap slowly with a rag. Keep a drain pan ready and wear gloves and eye protection. Work methodically through hose removal, fan assembly, and mounting hardware to avoid surprises. Start by fully draining the radiator into a proper container and set the old coolant aside for disposal. Loosen hose clamps, twist hoses to break seals, and pull them free while supporting the radiator. Remove the fan shroud and unplug electrical connectors so nothing snags during removal. Keep bolts in a labeled tray and take photos of connector locations for reference. Lift the radiator straight up to avoid bending fins or damaging the condenser. Place the new radiator into position carefully, aligning mounting tabs and hoses before tightening anything. Reinstall fan shroud, brackets, and electrical connectors exactly as removed, checking that wiring is clear of moving parts. Use new clamps if the old ones are worn, and top up the system with the correct coolant mixture to the specified level. Bleed air from the cooling system by running the engine with the heater on and rechecking fluid levels.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.